Oh! Is it good?
Yeah.
Just keep it on. Check it over here. The view over here will be huge. Look at the
Sideways.
water there.
I know, the Mesa River is really bad. Haven't that close, they in school.
Alright.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at that.
Holy cow!
Holy
See?
mackerel,
Look
look
at
at
it,
that
Mum,
up
look
there.
at that. Now here's where you, if you,
Oh, the
this
houses.
subdivision up here was a good idea or not.
Oh
Yep.
my god.
Which I don't think it was. I'd never live here.
Why would you want-
Silverstream Estates. Is it Silverstream?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, look at it. Oh my gosh, stupid people.
It's close, isn't it?
Yeah,
Another
look
day's
how
rain
close
and
to it.
another day's rain and it'll be
They have to evacuate it.